Hey, welcome to the channel. Today, we've got something incredibly exciting for all the VR enthusiasts, gamers, and anyone looking to dive into the world of virtual reality. If you've been following the VR space, you've probably heard about the Meta Quest 4. And trust me, it's here to completely redefine your VR experience. We've seen some awesome headsets in the past, but the Quest 4 is in a league of its own. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or simply someone looking to escape into virtual worlds, the Meta Quest 4 is going to give you an experience you never thought possible. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the Meta Quest 4 is the headset you've been waiting for, and you'll be dying to get your hands on it. Stick around, it's going to be an exciting ride. Let's start with the design. The first thing you'll notice when you pick up the Meta Quest 4 is how lightweight and comfortable it feels. Gone are the days of bulky, heavy headsets that leave you with neck pain after just a few hours of use. The Quest 4 is all about comfort. It's been designed to feel natural on your head, even during long gaming or VR sessions. But comfort doesn't mean sacrificing durability. The Quest 4 feels solid, with a premium build quality that ensures it can handle whatever you throw at it. Whether you're playing a fast-paced VR game or just lounging with some relaxing VR content, the headset is secure and stays in place. And let's talk about the adjustable straps and ergonomic fit. With the Meta Quest 4, you can easily tweak the fit to match your head shape, ensuring you get the most comfortable experience possible. Whether you're a casual gamer or someone who spends hours in VR, you won't feel discomfort after long use. Now the visuals. This is where the Meta Quest 4 really shines. The display is absolutely stunning, offering high resolution and vibrant colors that make your VR experience feel incredibly immersive. Whether you're exploring new worlds, watching 360-degree videos, or playing a highly detailed game, the Quest 4 brings every detail to life with its crystal-clear visuals. The refresh rate has been improved to deliver smooth motion, and the field of view is wider than ever, giving you more of the virtual world around you. Whether you're zooming across a futuristic city or diving deep into a serene underwater world, everything looks breathtaking. And let's not forget about brightness. The Quest 4 offers vibrant colors and contrasts, ensuring that you don't miss a single detail. Even in dimly lit environments, this is perfect for those late-night gaming sessions or immersive movies where you want every detail to pop. What good are great visuals if the headset can't handle the load? Well, with the Meta Quest 4, you don't have to worry about performance. The Quest 4 is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chipset, which means you get lightning-fast performance that keeps everything smooth and lag-free. Whether you're playing high-end VR games, browsing virtual environments, or streaming media, the Quest 4 delivers without any stutter or lag. The processing power allows you to enjoy complex games and applications with ease. Plus, thanks to the advanced cooling system, you can expect consistent performance without worrying about overheating. But what's a great VR experience without amazing sound? The Meta Quest 4 delivers spatial audio that enhances the sense of immersion, making it feel like sounds are coming from all around you. Whether you're hearing the footsteps of an enemy creeping up behind you in a game, or the wind blowing through a virtual forest, the Quest 4